Hello all. What I'm going to do is have a look at this product here. I've been looking for some wax resist sticks for a long time, and every time I try getting hold of any, they're either out of stock or they don't do them or they don't even know what they are. But basically, let me open them. By the way, this is where I've got them from, Colour Craft in Sheffield. They're the people who make brochure. And what you're supposed to do is use this to resist brochure, but you can also use it to do any water soluble equipment like watercolour, for example. So basically what they are, if I can get these open because my dexterity is not always great, is they're made in the UK, eh? It literally is a stick of absolutely clear wax. So let me just, so what I'll do is I'm going to do a squiggly thing like that. You won't be able to see this at the moment, but it's going to be fairly random, this. And hopefully it will show us what you can do with these sticks. But you can use them generally for um, detailing watercolours. So that's basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to this is not watercolour paper, by the way, so this might come out disastrously. And as you can see, it's bouncing off it, which is nice. That's exactly what you want it to do. Yeah, it's working nicely. So I'll be able to use this for doing a lot of wax resist work on my watercolour paintings that I do. And I don't suppose you can see it that brilliantly, but it is definitely resisting. And where I see it, these areas here are very fine lines. So that again is another plus, the fact that you can get really fine bits of line work. So just a couple more bits of things like that, and maybe a bit of very abstract green. And yeah, that's basically it's worked well. That the only issue I've got with this is that it's not on watercolor paper, so but that don't matter. It's just a test run. I know that it works nicely. I'm going to leave this out for several weeks and see if there's any reaction, discoloration or anything like that. And if not, then I'll be able to use the this wax resist stick. And I've got to say, I've been trying to get hold of this for ages, so I'm really happy that I've got them. They just arrived today. So yippee-di-do. And thanks for watching if you're out there. So see you again sometime. Bye.